My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website rplnd56.com. rplnd56.com is a malicious site that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help users continue watching some video content. But when people mistakenly agree with this proposal and click on Allow button, the browser is hijacked and contaminated with multiple pop-ups that would be attacking the screen from time to time in the form of web push notifications. In case you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. After you do that, after all these malicious sites are removed, the trouble should be fixed, but I also recommend that you carefully research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.